Dami naman yan. Ito yung kumain ka ng meeting doon.
Game.
Ano to games? Ano kayo kasi clean? Games. Para 2 games. Okay na, nakuha na yan. Doon sa...
Number 24, may tangan ng bola. At the corner, number 14 to number 7, to number 24. Number 24 to number 14. Bola. Nakuha number 1.
Pares malaki.
Illegal.
Yung sakladong pati sa ano.
Number 18, try for 3. In na. Push, Mauret.
Babay daw. Babay po daw, oy!
And shift pass.
Huwag ka nagpupo.
Number 24. Number 24, may tangan ng bola. To corner, number 24 again. Try for 3. Wala. Now, number 28. Number 4. Number 4. At the corner. Moving the ball. To middle. Pull up 2. Wala. Nakuha number 2. Number 2 to number 24. Number 14. Easy 2 point. Mix naman na, Johnny Boy. Number 18. Moving the ball. At the middle. Number 4. To number 15. Try for 3. Wala. No, number 14. Number 17. Number 17. Wala. Number 4. That's the middle. To order. Try for 3. Wala. Number 13. Number 1. Try for 3. And can't catch the ball. Number 2, number 24. Number 24. Number 17. Tatapikan. Number 13, you're in the ball. To number 4. Number 4, at the middle. Number 38. Number 38. To number 4, at the middle. Try for 3. Wala. Number 28, number 28, middle. Pulling the boy. Number 14, nakuha number 4. Number 4. To number 1. Number 24, dribbling the ball. Number 17, low post area. Number 17, pull up 2. Who's foul red?
18.
First try. Thank you, Lord.
Thank you, Lord.
Second try. God bless. Number 18, may down the ball. Down the wing, at the corner. Number 18, removing the ball. Number 18. To number 30. Number 24. Removing the ball. 2 points. Para number 14. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Down the lane. At the corner. Number 18, at the middle. To number 4. Number 4, may tangan ng bola. Number 4. Block na. Natalagan. Number 18, try for 3. Wala. Same ball. Substitution. Number 16. Number 28 now. Number 4, you block the ball. Number 1. Number 1. Number 18. Pumasok. Huli. Number 2. To number 30. To number 25. To number 17. Wala. Nakuha number 4. Number 4. Rebound the ball. Dribble the ball. Number 4. Down the lane. Hand in the middle. Number 4. Pull up 2. Wala. Nakapagala sa team. Kanta the ball. Up. Substitution. Number 8. E. Espanol. S the same. S the one.
Let's go. Hey. Dilipat mo si Coach King.
Sino magbawagi? Sino makikibahagi?
Inasya na naman yung coach.
Number 4. Roy the ball. At the corner. Who needed? Pull up 2. Wala. Nakuha number 6. Number 6. Hook shot 2. Number 24. Goes over. Dribbling the ball. Number 2. To number 13. Number 13. There's number 3. At the middle to the shot. Who's foul? Shot para sa Kabuhay.
Sap-sap.
First try. Not good.
Not good. Pag na-shoot.
Second try. Not good. Number 24. To number 17. Number 17. Dribbling the ball. Who's foul? Substitution. Papasok ang lalaban. Pati ako, dati. Number 34. Number 2. Number 2. Focus area. 2 points para kay number 2. Lamang ang matangka.
Kaya mag-go. Mapalit.
Alright.
Ilang, wait lang.
Number 2. Napakahaba. Number 2. Bitaw na bola. Kinasa kay number 8. Number 8. Wala. Nakakuha ni number 4. Number 4. Good ball rin. Substitution.
Yeah, mas maganda na yun.
Number 3, number 8, right for 3. Number 8, Angeles. Ahmad Ray. Nasa babagan. Yan, man.
Yan na, palit na. Yan na. Moses, ano ka na niya? Eric Santos. Yun, no? Baka bumirit ka.
Number 34, dribbling the ball.
Nasa bingo lang.
Number 34 to number 17, pulling the boy. Now running number 1. Number 1 to number 3. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Down the lane, at the middle. Number 3, pull up 2. Number 3. Number 3 to number 18. Number 18. Gana natin mga pasahan. Pull up 2. 2 points para kay number 18.
Para na.
Number 34, nagmamaglit. Tangan-tangan ni number 34 ang bola. Fake crossover. At the middle to number 8. Number 8. Number 8 to 34. Number 34.
Parang bingo lang. B.
Number 34. To number 2. Number 2. Wala. Nakawa ni number 2 naman. Who's power?
Wala din yung referee.
Beautiful.
Yun o. May hagod sa dulo. Dali.
Hadel pa. Mamaya. Shout sa mga pogi kong tito sa aking pamangkin. Huligan!
Third ka nga, third.
One.
Naka-live.
Bumalik kay Chief.
Mura ha. Naka-live tayo ha. Okay na to. So yung pang-sounds nyo to.
Back to the ball game. Back to the ball game, boys. Inbound ball by number 8. Teka, ang gandang pinapakitang play nito, partner. Number 8 to number 34. Number 34. Sumalaksak, lumipad. Wala, nakakuha ni number 8. Number 8 pulls up 2. Easy 2 points para kay number 8. Certified board member. Number 3. At the middle to number 8. To corner. Corner.
Antman.
Number 18 to number 79.
Head to shoot.
Number 17 to number 8. Number 8. 2 points by number 8. That Antman. Napakabilis. Okay. Number 8. Number 30 in, number 18 out. Number 2 inbound the ball to number 34. Number 5, number 5. Wala. Nakakuha ni Ant-Man. Number 8 to number 34. Number 34. At the corner. Seen by number 2. Ano yun? Number 30. Tahan-tahan ni number 30 ang bola. Pinasa kay Irving. Number 3. Dribbling the ball. Behind the leg. To number 8. Number 8. Try for 3. Wala. Nakakuha ang number 17. Number 17. And untouchable.
Jojo, coach, wait lang ha.
Number 3, Mala Irving. Pass the corner, nasa kaya number 34. Number 34, nagmamadali to number 5. Number 5 to 34. Easy 2 point. Lista mo na, Johnny Boy. Number 3 to number 30. Number 3. Number middle to number 30. Number 30, pull up 2. Pull the boy. Number 30, pull the naman boy. You can see. Number 30 to number 3. Number 3, dribbling the ball. At the middle. Number 3 to number 6. At the corner. Try for 3. Wala. Nakakuha number 17. Number 17 to number 5. Number 5, may tanga na wala. Nagmamadali. Side step down. Number 8 to number 3 again. Mala Irving, number 3. Who's in the number 8? Number 8. Ant-Man. Number 8. Who's power?
Yan!
Number 8. Thank you, Lord.
Wala nang ano. Ayun, sa akin ayaw na.
Basket. Substitution.
Wala na. Wala pa. Wala na. Next, rapid set.
Number 4. Down the lane. Dribbling the ball at the middle. To number 8. Number 8. Number 8. Now, or number 2. Number 2. Pinasok kay number 8. Number 8. Number 2. Pull up 2. Wala. Now, number 3. Number 3 from bola. Pinasok kay number 4. Number 4 at the middle. Number 4. Wala. Number 17. Number 17. To number 8. To number 5. 2 points para kay number 5. Number 30. At the middle. Reloading the ball. To corner. Pull up 3. Wala. Same ball. Number 30. Back the corner. To middle. Dribbling the ball. 5 to shoot. Number 30. Wala. Asan. Pass to number 6. 3 seconds. And the first quarter. Score 420. Legal. 420. Namamay lang.
Sino nagawag yun?
Sino magwawagi at sino nakikibahagi?
Sungkot mo na mo yan. Hindi na napapayos ka na. Kamu, parang wala kang takot. Wala kang tayo, wala kang tayo. Wala kang tayo. Wala kang tayo.
Back to the ball game.
Naiiwan sa puso. O, natapo yung soft drinks. Sa ilalim, natapo. Naiiwan sa puso. Kaya pa kayo, hindi ko na tumopin ito.
Number 4, inbound the ball to number 4. 4 to corner. Number 4, pass to middle. To number 18. To number 11. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Number 24. And contact the ball. Number 18, inbound the ball to number 4. Tantangan ng Bukora bola. Down the lane at the middle. Sinasa sa corner. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakuha yung number 2. To number 24. Number 24. To number 14. To number 17. To number 25. To number 17 again. What a ball with net. Number 4. To corner. Number 18. To middle. Corner, try for 3. 3 points by number 11. Number 24. Pass to number 14. Number 14. And the doubling violation. Double single. Number 4, dribbling the ball, down the lane, down the middle, pass to number 5 to number 18, pull up 3, wala, nakuha na number 4, number 4, easy 2-point. Number 24. Dribbling the ball down the lane, at the middle, Gana the ball kasahan. To number 2. Number 2. Dribbling the ball at the middle. To number 24 again. Number 24. Pumasok. Pinasok number 17. Nagkape pa sa ere.
Boss!
Number 18. Number 3. Oh yeah, number 24. Number 24. Pass to number 14. Wala. Number 18. Number 18. Dribbling the ball. Down the lane. At the middle. Nagmamadali. Number 18. And number 5. Number 6. Who's power it? Number 2.
Boss, miss mo ako ha? Miss niyo ako ha? Kumayo! Ang boses mo, boy! Wala, ano lang yan, bait lang yan.
Not good. Number 24. Dribbling the ball. Down the lane to number 17. Number 17. Who's fouled it? Substitution. Lumabas ang lalabas. Pumasok ang papasok.
Tita, ano? Yung tsaka, ano? Sa Barrio Verde. Pwede ka dito, boss, oh. Model fight. Boss, pwede ka dito. Model fight.
Number 4. Dribbling the ball. Down the lane. To number 28, number 28, to number 4 again. At the corner, 3 points by number 11. Number 25, pinasakay number 14. Number 14, pinasakay number 7. To number 5, 25, 2 points by number 25. Number 4, to number 28. Bruce Paulette. Number 4, to number 1. Number 1, to number 4. At the middle. Number 4, to corner, 5-4-3, wala. Okay, number 24, to number 30. Number 28, number 38 to number 1. Number 1, to corner, 5-4-3, 3 points by number 18. Score, 15-25. Lamang ang may alam. Number 7. Number 7. Who's favorite? Substitution. Takin po. Number 17, patakin po.
Laong bipe.
Substitution. Number 4, Julie the ball, Javelin, Natalia, for the three, wala. Number one, 2 points para ang number one. Number 34. Saan number 34 ang bola? Javelin. At the corner. Number 34. Jubilee the ball. In by number 7. To corner. For the three. Wala. Ako ang number 1. Number 1 to number 4. Number 4. Jubilee the ball. Javelin. Number 4. To corner. For the three. Wala. Ako ang number 34. Number 34. Number 85. Wala. Number 18. Number 18. Number 18. Jubilee the ball. Javelin. Number 4. 85. Number 7. To number 34. Number 34. To number 5. Tumira ng 10. 3 points by number 5.
Tungkol pa lang.
Number 4. Jubilee the ball. To Parker. To the 3. Wala. Nakawa ng number 5. Number 5. Matagay number 4. Number 4. Pinakta. 2 points para kay number 4. Number 24, Jubilee the ball. Javelin, Natalia, Bigala sa mga sabasay. Number 1. Number 1. Number 18. Number 18. To number 1. Number 1. 5, 4, 3. Wala. Number 4. Wala. To number 24. Number 5. Nagmamadali. Wow! May kasama pang basket. Wow! Position. Number 5. Number 34. Number 34. Number 7. Number 7. 2 points para kay number 7. Number 4. Jubilee the ball. Javelin. Natalia. Try for 3. And ball. Number 34. Jubilee the ball. Javelin. Number 34. To corner. Number 34 again. To middle. Nakakuha ng number 30. Number 30. Jubilee the ball. Javelin. Natalia. Jangan berkompetisi. Number 34, number 8, to number 5. And contact the ball. Foul position. Number 4, to number 3, to 4. Number 24, number 24, Jubilee the ball. Nakatagal na number 30, number 30, to the 2. Wala, number 7, to number 5, number 5, to number 6, number 6, to number 2, number 2. Traveling violation. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Number 4,
Kanina lang fantasy. Kaya si Mike,
number 4, to the 2, blue point para ang number 4.
and then the right hand counselor, elect mo na.
Number 2, easy 2 point. Number 4 to number 3, number 3. At the middle to number 4. To corner, number 14. To number 4. Number 4 to the 2. Wala, number 34. Number 34, number 8. At the middle to number 4. Wala, number 30. Number 30, dribbling the ball, down the lane, at the corner. Number 30 to number 3. Number 3 to number 4 at the middle. To number 6. Number 6 to number 4. To number 14. To number 3. Pull up 3. Wala. Nako, number 34. Number 5. 82 point para kay De Leon. Number 3. To number 4, pull up 3. Wala. Nakawa number 6. Number 6. Wala. Nakawa number 30. Full time. Para kay number 30. Number 4. Now play. Wala. Number 5, dribbling the ball down the lane at the corner. Number 5, dribbling 5, 2-1 para kay number 5. Number 3, at the middle, pull up 3. Wala. Number 3 again. Number 4, 5-4-3. Wala. Number 2. Number 34. Number 34, dribbling the ball. Number 34, speed move. 3 seconds. Basket. And at the second quarter. Back to the ball game. Here we go.
Hoy, yun na, hoy.
Naka 10 piso, walang pera binigay. 4,000? Talagang nakawain ka, 10 game ka, di mo binigay.
Bala.
Don! Dito! Ang topics!
Number 24, inbound the ball to number 25 to number 24. Number 24 at the corner. Try for 3. Wala. Nakuha number 8. Number 8 to number 4. Number 4. Down the lane. Down the middle. Dribbling the ball. Number 4. Tumato. 2 points by number 4. Number 24. Dribbling by the corner. Move forward. Number 24, inbound the ball. Number 14, same ball. Number 13, number 14, 10 to shoot. Number 24. Number 2. Number 1. So number 6, number 8. So number 4. Number 4, pull up 2. Wala. Number 8. Pull up 3. Wala. Number 1. So number 8. And hand the ball. 5 position.
Mahaba ba yan?
Number 6. Basket.
Alam mo ba yung orange? Oo.
Number 7. Number 24. Number 24. Dribbling the ball at the middle. Tumasok sa baba. 2 points para kay number 17. Number 8. To corner. Try for 3. Wala. Nakakuha number 7. Number 7 to number 24. Number 24. Do the pass para kay number 25. Nakatikan. Number 4. At the middle. Pass number 6. Number 6. Umikot. 2 points by number 2. Number 24. Tahan kay number 24 ang bola. Traveling. Pass to Opus area. Ulat 2. Wow! Basket. Bad position. Tatlo ka na, number 18. Basket. Number 8. Got the middle. To number 4. Number 4. Not the test. What a ball. Hey, orange ball. Number 24, dribbling the ball. At the middle, down the lane. To number 17. 2 points by number 17. Binalay by Pop. Number 8, to corner, pull up 3. Wala, nakakuha number 30. Number 30. To number 1, try for 3. Wala. Encantado.
Ayaw.
Substitution. Number 4.
Tignan mo nga.
Dribbling the ball. At the middle, to number 8, try for 3. Move forward. Substitution. Number 11, for the 3. Wala, wala ka pa. Number 6, dribbling the ball down the lane, at the corner. Number 6, tulaksak, who's forward? Good try. Paint wall. Second try. Not good. Number 5. To number 8. Number 8. Down the lane, not the middle. Try for 3. Wala. Nakuha number 30. Number 30 ang pakuha. Number 11. Nakuha number 8. Nakuha number 13. Nakuha number 7. To number 6. Number 6. At the middle. Pumasok. Airball. Substitution.
Let's bring it back.
Number 34, in down the row. East to point by number 7. Number 3. To corner, number 5. To middle press. Wala, nakuha number 2. Number 34. Moving the ball, behind the back. Number 34. Number 30, 15 to shoot. Number 34. 10 to shoot. Number 6, pull up 2. Wala. Number 6. Number 2. Number 2. Baseline. Number 34. Number left. Easy 2 point. Number 5. The corner. To number 13. Nakatakan. Number 8. Number 8. The Atman. Easy 2 point. Number 18, dribbling the ball. At the middle, to number 3, pull up 3. Wala, nakawa number 2. Number 2, to Atman. Atman! Wala! Number 5, to number 13. Number 13, dribbling the ball. Down the lane, at the middle, to number 3. Number 3. Number 3. Number 3, sinaksak. 2 points by the Salabal basket. Substitution.
Ito yan sa atin.
Basket. Number 6. Nagkakanggawa na kamadali. 2 points by number 6. Cristona. Number 18 to the 3. Wala. Number 17. Number 17 to number 6. number 6, down the lane at the middle. Number 6, pull up 2. Wala, nakuha number 18, number 18. Number 18 ang bola. Down the lane at the middle. Sumalak sa top. Wala, nakuha natin number 18. Who's forward?
Walang charger.
Dalawa.
Number 6. Number 17. 2 points by number 17. Number 18. At the middle. Pull up 3. 3 points by number 18. Number 24. Dribbling the ball. Down the lane. Half the corner. Back to the open area. Pull up to number 17, air ball. Number 3, dribbling the ball. Number 3, to baseline, 2 points. Para kay number 79. Number 2, to number 34. Number 34, dribbling the ball.
Ayaw.
Proud position. Number 24, inbound ball to number 6. Number 6, screen by number 2, number 6, kumilakta. Offensive foul.
6. Wala nang charger. Diyan. Ayaw pa.
Number 3, pull 2, who's fired? Side position. Basket. Who's fired?
Kilala mo eh. Wala ka kabago.
Kadali.
Back to the ball game.
Anak ko mo? Oo, ako tayo.
Number 6, inbound the ball. Number 5. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Down the lane, half the corner. Number 4, between the legs, dribble. Number 4, At the middle, side step. Wala. Nakuha number 7. Number 7, number 5. Number 5, pinasa number 25. Nakuha number 2. 2 points by number 2. Number 18, try for 3. 3 points by number 18. Number 5, nagkamali at the middle. Post up 2, wala. Number 79, number 18. Number 18, dribbling the ball. Number 18, pass to corner, number 28. Wala. Nakuha number 4. Number 4, pull up 2. Wala. Nakuha number 7. Number 7, bullet pass to number 2. Number 2, sumalat pa. Wala. Nakuha number 3. Number 3, dito na the ball. Down the lane, nasa middle, nagkakabali. Number 3. What a hot step. Number 5. Number 6 to number 5. Number 5 to number 2. Pull up 2. Wala, nakuha number 4. Number 4. To number 3. 3 points by number 3.
Late ka na. Number 3 points, number 3.
Number 4. Who's forward?
My first of flag, pero no problem. With Spotify Premium, you can download your favorite playlists and also upload para tuloy ang good vibes sa table collab. Dahil sa trip mo lang with Spotify Premium. Upgrade na.
Not good. Not good. Number 4. 8 seconds. 3 seconds. End of the third quarter.
Yay!
Wonderful game. This is the last and final quarter.
Pero pang may dalawang pagbibihan pula.
Number 34. To number 2. Number 3. Wala. Number 34. To number 2. Wala. To number 34. Number 34. Number 34. At the leader. Pass to number 2. Traveling violation. Number 18. Pass to the corner. To the baseline. Easy 2-point. Number 34. To number 17. To number 24. At the middle. To corner. Napatikan. To number 6. Number 6. Easy 2-point. Score. 53-60. Naman ang may alam. Naman ng tipo.
Ay! Ay!
Number 34. 3 points by number 34. Number 18, down the lane. At the corner, number 18. To the baseline. Pull up 2, wala. Naka number 24, to number 8. At wala. Nice. Easy 2 points. Follow up by number 24. Number 24. Tangan na number 24 ang bola. Number Blaine, half a middle. Number 24. What a crack by number 8. Back to Ant-Man. Number 11. Moving the ball down the lane, half a middle. Pass to the corner, number 6, pull up 3. Wala, nakawa number 34. Number 34. Cross over behind the back. Moving the ball down the lane, half a middle. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pull up 2. Wala. Nakawa number 4. Number 4. Pull up 3. Wala. Nakawa number 17. To Ant-Man. Number 24. 15 to shoot. Number 34. To number 2. 10 to shoot. 2 points by number 2. Number 18. Dribbling the ball. At the middle. Tumakta. Ako ang number 24. To number 34. Number 34. Pull up 3. Wala. Nakawang Ant-Man. Ant-Man. Wala. Number 2. Wala. Wala. Number 6. To number 24. Number 24. Nakawalan. Substitution. Number 34, driving the ball. Easy 2 points. Number 18, pull up 3. 3 points by number 18. Number 6 to number 17. Number 17. Kawalan Ant-Man. To number 7. Number 7. And Cantador. Substitution. Number 4, down the lane, dribbling the ball. To corner, number 18. Number 18, dribbling the ball. To number 1. Number 1 to number 4 at the middle. 8 to shoot. Number 17 to number 34. Number 34, 5 for 3. Wala, nakawa number 6. And number 8, to Laksa. 2 points para kay number 8. Score, 60-71. 11 ang halaman. Number 6. Wala. Nakawa number 8. Last 5 weeks. Number 18. Try for 3. To corner. Try for 3. Last. Number 6. To number 14. Number 14. 2 points. Para kang number 14. Number 4. Dribbling the ball, down the lane, half the middle, pass to the corner, to number 18, number 18. Number 1. Wow, position. Number 6. At the middle, to number 7, number 7. Wow, number 2. Number 2 to number 34. Number 34. Umikot. Inikot. Number 34. Number 3. Wala. Number 18. Number 18 kita akan bola. Dribbling the ball. Gasoline yang number 3 at the middle. Pull up 2. Wala. Number 6. Number 6. Number 6 at the middle. Sebelah pas. 2 points para kay number 6. Number 13. To number 4. Number 4, pull up 3. Wala, number 1. Number 1. Wala. Number 34, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 6. 3 seconds violation. Back to the ball game. Number 28, inbound the ball. To number 4. Number 4, dribbling the ball, down the lane, half the middle. Number 4, to the corner. Number 18, 15, tingin na natin. Wala, nakawala number 13. To number 3, pull up 3. Wala, nakawala na number 3. Number 3, nakatakan. All good, all good. Number 3, one hassle. To number 28, pull the ball. Number 2, number 2, kailangan na bola, number 2, sumunod ball. Iba na matangkaan.
Ito na matangkaan. Cherry Bird.
Who's power it? Number 18, to the corner, number 4. Number 4, pull up 2. Wala, number 2. Number 6. At the corner. Pass to number 7. Number 7, not the middle. Lupad! Here's the 2 points para kay number 7. Score 60-80. Tamaan ng 2020. Number 18. Who's forward? Bad position.
Di mahulaan.
First try.
Di mahulaan.
Oh.
Di mahulaan.
Not good.
Kira.
Second try. All good in the hood.
Tingnan mo. Bigyan na ka ng buti.
Oras.
Ayun na yung ulan.
China. Number 6. To number 5. To number 6.
Just 2 minutes.
Last 2 minutes. Number 7. Anthony Middle. To the top. Easy 2 points para kay number 7. Number 4, to the corner, tumira ng 3. Wala, nakakuha na number 3. Number 3, to number 28. Number 28, at the middle, to number 3. Number 3, at the corner, tumira ng 3. Wala, nakakuha na number 2. Number 2 to number 6. Number 6, pinasay na rin. Nakakuha na number 4. Number 4. Pinasa. Easy 2 points para kay number 18. Number 7. To number 5.
Ay mo doon. Gulo. Ay, ma'am!
Hindi daw.
Back to the ball game. Number 18, try for 3. Wala, number 25. Last 1 minute para sa ating last and final quarter. Number 25, goal of 2. Wala.
At pa ako, UAP. Oo ah. Wala, isa lang binigay ni Gillian. Ano? Lasal, yuk. Sana.
Number 6. Number 6, sebelah keras. Nakakawala din. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakakawala number 7. To number 5. Number 5, dribbling the ball at the corner. To number 24, at the middle. Tumira ng 3. Wala. Nakakawala number 1. To number 28. So number 11, tumira ng 3. Wala, nakuha number 1. Number 6, 2 points para kay number 6. Last 10 seconds. Foul good. Number 12.
Hindi ko po nagsasabi niyo. Audio, yung lahat ng bubbles, lahat ng bricks, But hindi sila. Pero iba ba ang creators? Kaya titigil na lang ang Spotify Premium and experience your favorite songs like never before. All in high quality audio. Okay na, para sa soundtrack mo lang eh.
Ayaw.